Welcome back to Good Morning Boss. Kilalanin naman natin ang 2015 Outstanding Young Scientist Awardee na si Dr. Amy Lynn Barrion-Dupo sa ating Scientist of the Week.
Nais mo bang matrace o malaman ang lahing pinagmulan? Makilala ang mga ancestors ng inyong pamilya? Hatid ng makabagong teknolohiya, ito na ang sagot sa mga katanungan nyo. Ang Family Search. Lahat nandito na. Panoorin nyo to.
Family Search is a non-profit organization of the church where we can acquire records in the world, and it is a free access for all people in the world, and that is the legacy of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints for the whole humanity. So, number one objective for the Family Search is preservation of records, and then we have to store this in a secured place with the Granite Mountain Vault, and then we share this online for the whole people.
Family Search, from the word itself, it talks about family. You're searching anything about your family, not only your recent family. It talks about your entire family from one generation, second, third, fourth, fifth generation. Not only names, but everything that will tell us about the history of your family.
Lahat ng gusto mong malaman, nandito ang kasagutan. Tungkol sa sakit, kung may lahi kayo ng twins, bakit ka maitim samantalang ang makamag-anak mo ay mapuputi at mga tisoy? Bakit ka pango? Sila matatangos ang ilong. Lahat yan masosolve. Try nyo!
Meron ditong nag-research na nalaman niya na ang ikinamatay ng great-great-great-grandfather niya is lung diseases. Yung sa recent family nila, ang mga sakit always connected with lungs. Pero yung mother niya, father niya, tita niya, walang sakit na ganon. Because of the research, they found out na pwede pala yung mga previous generation natin, meron na, and our genes are interconnected. So pwedeng yung sakit na yon, meron sa ating genes na pwedeng na-acquire. Another thing sa family namin when we had our reunion, nalaman namin na meron kaming tendency na magkaroon ng twins, and nalaman na hindi pa, yung twins pala, hindi immediate, pwede sa ibang generation, meron twins, pero dun sa next coming generation, wala. Pero, yung previous generation mo, meron. So, akala mo, wala naman sa lahi namin na may kambal eh. Pero yung mga after researching, marami ka palang kamag-anak in your fourth generation na mga twins, triplets. And it talks about the genes. And you can only know that doing family search. That's one thing. Another way is, meron akong na-encounter na sinabi niya, akala ko po from the start ampun ako. Kasi yung mga kapatid ko, ang tatangas ng ilong. Tapos ako lang po nag-iisang pango. Only to find out, nung nakita niyang may picture yung great-grandfather niya na wala silang idea kung taga saan to kasi hindi siya lumaki doon. Nakita niya yung mga sa side na yon, hindi sila matatangas ang ilong. So nawala yung niya na, hindi ako ampon kasi nanggaling tong traits ko dito sa side na to na hindi ko kasi kinalakihan, hindi ko nakilala.
Ang lahat ng records na ito ay kanilang na-preserve at agad-agad nilang nasasagot ang kahit anong bagay tungkol sa inyong pamilya, ang inyong pinagmulan.
Memorable sa akin when assisting a visitor here. Meron pumunta dito galing ibang bansa, and she is a very successful lady. Nagpatulong siya to research. Sabi ko, tinulungan ko, and on our way para to makita yung ancestors niya, naging curious ako, bakit gusto mong makita? And since nasa US ka, yung iba kasi pupunta dito to find records para makapunta ng US, pero siya successful na. Ang sinabi niya is feeling kompleto. Tapos, nung nakita niya yung name ng father niya, ang nakita pa lang niya is the death record ng father niya. All the while, akala niya sa ibang bansa namatay yung father niya. Kasi hindi nga siya lumaki doon separated yung mother at father niya. Nung nakita niya na dito sa Pilipinas, umiyak na siya kaagad. Tapos sabi niya, feeling ko unti-unting nabuo yung pagkatao ko. Patay pa lang to. How much more kung makita natin yung mga buhay nating relatives dito. Maraming time na hindi natin kilala tong taon to, yung pala kamag-anak na natin. And because of searching record, makakonect na tayong mga buhay, magkakamag-anak pala tayo. Only to find out when we search your records.
Family Reunited, objective ng Family Search. Yan Pinoy. Una sa lahat, pamilya.
Our family doesn't start yung nanay-tatay lang natin. It started way back. And para makompleto yung joy mo to be forever, kailangan natin sila makilala not only by names, even by stories. The Family Search, we're familiar with Facebook, di ba? Social media. Nakikilala natin yung mga ancestors natin, yung mga kamag-anak natin sa ibang bansa, yung stories nila kahit wala tayo doon through the media. The Family Search will also be like that. Hindi lang yung mga buhay, even yung mga patay na hindi natin nakasama, through the stories ng mga nag-contribute na gumagawa, makikilala natin yung mga pamilya natin. Yung mga next generation to come, makikilala rin nila yung mga ancestors nila through the Family Search. Kasi yung record, pinapreserve not only the names, the records, even the stories and the pictures.